I lived where you guys are, and I know that you're very adamant on putting things in front of you to constantly remind you of what your goals are or what the next step is for your achievement. Do you think that made a huge difference in between what you actually achieved in your life? Like, was that a big part of your success criteria is to constantly remind yourself of your goals? Because I know you had even like a check printed on your mirror that said how much you wanted
Yeah.
monthly.
Man, I that check is now framed.
Oh, that's awesome.
The same. It's the so you know when I started my business, I was in a relationship. You know, I wasn't supported, so I quit. I left my ex girlfriend, and then opened my business. And I wrote this check. I wrote it in 2017 for my amount that I wanted to make, and I didn't hit it in 2018, and then in 2019 we finally hit it. So now I framed it right because I like even living in my small, really shitty apartment. I had this post up in the bathroom just as a reminder. And I absolutely think it is because you need to have like some reminder of your goals every day, right? It's like you need to have a clear direction. It's like you're a ship and you're sailing rough waters. If you don't have that direction and you're always orienting yourself to it, you can easily get off course.
Mhm.